Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add friends on Discord. Okay, on the left hand side here I have one user logged in into the browser Discord app. On the right hand side I have another user logged in into the desktop app on the PC. So I'm going to use this user on the right to add the user on the left. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to direct messages button in upper left corner. And now I have to expand this window a bit, but you'll see this green button called Add Friend. Go ahead and click on that. And all you have to do here is just type the username of the user you're trying to send a friend request to. My friend's name is Mutant Dust Bunny. Now, all you have to do is press the Send Friend Request button. As soon as you do that, the user on the left in the browser will receive this alert in the upper left corner. Now, here, all they have to do is to accept the friend request is to click on the friend's alert here. And here, check the pending notifications. Go ahead, click on pending alert, and there it is. That's the user that sent me a friend request. To accept this friend request, all you have to do is click on this check button. Okay, and this user will show up in the left-hand side under direct messages. Now, you can message that user by clicking on their username and typing the message as you usually would in Discord. Now, the user in my desktop app will receive this notification from Mutant Dust Bunny. To respond to this message, all you have to do is click on that alert and type something back. And there you have it, guys. This is how you send friend requests on Discord and accept friend requests from other users and pretty much just add friends on Discord.